Life cycle of a frog. Frogs belong to the group of amphibians. Amphibians are creatures that can live both in water and on land. The life cycle of a frog goes through different stages. Frogs lay thousands of eggs at a time in water or moist places. These clusters of eggs are called frog spawn. They are surrounded by a jelly-like substance. However, only a few of these eggs develop into frogs. Many of them are eaten by fish, snakes, ducks, and other animals before they hatch. When the eggs hatch, tiny fish-like larvae called tadpoles emerge. Tadpoles have long tails, which help them breathe. About a week after hatching, they start swimming. They survive by eating algae. Like the eggs, tadpoles are also at risk of being eaten by larger creatures. After about a month, tadpoles start developing lungs, allowing them to breathe on land. Their legs and tails begin to form, and they turn into young frogs with tails. Gradually, they start swimming actively and feeding on insects. The life cycle is complete when they become adult frogs. Initially, they still have tails, but as they grow, their tails disappear, their legs develop fully, and their lungs function entirely. As adults, frogs mostly live on land and eat insects. Eventually, they lay eggs, continuing the life cycle. The complete life cycle of a frog goes through the stages of egg, tadpole, young frog and adult frog. Glossary of some words. Algae. Green plants found in water. Amphibian. Creatures that can live on both land and in water. Cycle. A circular process where events repeat. Spawn. A group of frog eggs. Life cycle. The process of transformation from one stage to another in a living being's life.